welcome back to the another video of iDempiere learning. In the previous video, we have talked about callout, what is callout and how it is used in iDempiere. Okay, we have talked about four types of callout. Okay, first using IColumnCallout interface and using extension point. Second one using plain Java class and application dictionary. Okay, in this callout we will create a callout using uh, using callout engine, and we will register callout in the database. Okay, and third callout is a icolumn factory, using iColumn factory and component definition, and fourth one is a script and rule based callout. Okay, in this video we will see practical example of iColumn callout interface. Okay, we will create iColumn callout, and we will register it using extension point, and we will use in our iDempiere. Okay, let's see our iDempiere. Okay, login. Let's log into client garden world. Okay, what I want to do is like I want to update name field on change of search key. Okay, I want same name as search key. Whenever I put some value in the search key, and I and focus lost from this search key, then this name should be updated. My intention is that, okay, I want same name, okay, as search key. Okay, so let's create call out for that. For that I want, as usual, I will create one plugin. Okay, new other, okay, plugin project. Okay, okay, here we have to give plugin name. Okay, my plugin name is like com.yt.callout, sorry, callout dot company. Okay, and there are four type of callout, so I will give company one. Okay, callout one dot company. Okay, I want to use different location, so I will select this location, and I will append the project name here. Okay, and I will select OSGI framework. Okay, let's click on next, and this ID field must be unique across the project. Okay, and version name and vendor, I will use execution environment as a Java SE 1.6. Okay, and click on next and finish. Okay, our callout for company is created. Let's create package. Okay, new package, and package name is same. Let's create class. Okay, I will call it my company callout. Okay, okay, our class is created. Let's implement iColumn. Sorry, we have to give some dependency to this plugin so we can use that interface. Okay, we have to give dependency for base, and we can give other dependency like utils. This base plugin is necessary, and I want this util plugins dependency. Okay, and third dependency, I want model classes, which we have generated previous few video. Okay, if you want to learn how we can generate a model class for a particular table, then you can check my previous video where we learn about how we can generate model class and register it using factory. Okay, I want to use here yt.company model. Okay, these three dependency I want here. Let's implement icolumn callouts. Okay, and we have to add start method here. Okay, so in this video we will create callout using extension point. Okay, we are creating this first callout using extension point. Okay, so let's create our logic here. Okay, I column callout if, let me write if myt company dot column name is a value. Okay, I want value, I want name of the company same as the value. Okay, when value enter in the value field, then name field should be populated automatically. Okay, dot equals field field dot get column name. Okay, and table name should be same company name. Okay, it's fine if we don't compare table name here. Okay, okay, and I want to set tab dot set value. Okay, here we can use field grid tab. Okay, or column name. Okay, we don't have name grid field here. Okay, so I will use column name here. Okay, that is company dot name, which is name. Okay, I want to set search key value same as in the name field. Okay, so our callout is created. Okay, it's return none value. Okay, we don't have to return any value in case of we don't have any error in our callout. Okay, if you want to return error, okay, suppose we calculated some, we added some calculation logic and we found some errors, then we can return here. Okay, I am not returning any value because I don't want to throw any error from here. Okay, so our company callout is created. Now let's add in the extension point. Okay, so for that I want to add extension. Okay, and I column callout here. Okay, and click on new callout, and here we have to pass a my company callout. Okay, here we have to give table name. Okay, I want to give table name like same as we company name. Okay, table name is a white underscore company. Okay, and column name should be value. Okay, I want this callout to be called on value change. Okay, so I will pass value here. Okay, this priority field is not necessary here, but I will keep it for. Okay, so it looks good now, everything looks good. Let's check. Okay, let's check build. Okay, plugin .xml and manifest file is already in. Okay. Sorry, I want to keep it 1.6. Okay, looks good. Now let's check if our callouts is working or not. Okay, for that we have to add this plugin in the debug config. Okay, we have to add this plugin in the debug configuration. Okay, this company callout, let me remove this callout. Okay, start level should be default for, so I will keep this for start level same as this default level. Okay, and auto start is true, so I don't have to start plugin manually. Okay, let's apply it and click on debug, so server will start. Okay, let's wait until server gets started. Okay, okay, so server has been started. Let's log in again. Okay, select all and next. Okay, click on company. Okay, create new. I want to create company for YouTube. Okay, let's check if callouts call or not. On focus list of search key, name value should be populated automatically, which is YouTube. Okay, let's check. Okay, now you can see YouTube automatically set in the name field. Okay, so our first callout we have successfully created. Okay, this callout is based on extension point and IColumnCallout interface. Okay, in the next video we will check IColumnCallout factory and how we can implement it using component definition. Okay, which is basically this callout is best approach. Okay, so we will see in the next video. Okay, so guys, hope you like this video. Okay, if you have any question related callout, then you can write to the comment box. Okay, write, you can write comment on this video. Okay, or you can mail me. Okay, you can find my mail from the YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you, have a good day.